In 2020, the United Kingdom triggered Article 50 of the Treaty on European Union, exiting from the Union following 47 years of membership after a 2016 referendum. The referendum put the question of Brexit to a vote. The voting public narrowly decided to leave the EU by a 52 to 48% vote. The reasons for the vote came down to several key factors. People felt that EU membership wasn't delivering the economic benefits it promised. Whether economic stagnation could actually be blamed on EU membership instead of the 2008 financial crisis or government mismanagement, this is a different question altogether. Membership also entailed open borders, leading to a large influx of immigrants into the UK, first from Eastern Europe, then from Africa and the Middle East. By pulling out, the British people hoped to stem the unfettered flow of immigration. Last, EU financial policy caused havoc in some member countries, notably Greece and Italy, and served as a reminder that member states would sometimes be forced to swallow tough pills from the top-down EU administration. But now, 9 years after the fact, it's unclear if the UK is in a better place having left the European Union. The UK is in fact undergoing a slow puncture, with a 4% hit to productivity causing a £100 billion per year hole in the British economy. This apparent failure is reflected in polling data, with the latest polling showing 56% of Britons believing that leaving the EU was a mistake. With Russian aggression on the continent and the US an increasingly untrustworthy ally, some people are starting to ask, should the United Kingdom rejoin the European Union? Today, we'll dive into the arguments for and against, backed up by the latest evidence available as a brief at the link in the description.